Hello friends, today's topic is about importance of S-adenosyl methionine, and that is shortly called as SAM, and this one is derived from the methionine. So methionine to S-adenosyl methionine formation, and it is also called an active form of the methionine, and this methionine that is very helpful for the donation of the methyl group. So in detail of the importance of this SAM that we are going to look in this video. So methionine in transmethylation reaction. So some important product which are generated inside our body, and that is possible with the help of this S-adenosyl methionine. First of all, creatine formation. This creatine is very useful for the various muscular activity, and this creatine is derived from the three amino acids, that is glycine, arginine and methionine. This methionine that is in the active form, that is S-adenosyl methionine. Same way, one more neurotransmitter, that is epinephrine. So epinephrine, which is derived from the norepinephrine. Over the norepinephrine, one methyl group will be added and that will form epinephrine. Same way, over the epinephrine, one more methyl group will be added and that will make metanephrine. So that epinephrine and metanephrine formation, this methyl group is donated with the help of S-adenosyl methionine. One more molecule, that is choline. So this choline that is present in the acetylcholine as well as phosphatidylcholine, which is derived from the ethanolamine, and this ethanolamine is derived from the serine hydroxyl group containing amino acid. So serine to ethanolamine, and from that ethanolamine to choline formation, that is possible with the help of S-adenosyl methionine. Choline is nothing but a trimethyl ethanolamine, and this methyl group is donated from this SAM. Same way, serotonin to melatonin formation is also possible with the help of this S-adenosyl methionine. Further, one more molecule, that is carnitine, which is involved in this fatty acid metabolism, and this carnitine is produced with the help of lysine and methionine amino acid. So all these are important products in our body, like creatine, epinephrine, choline, melatonin and carnitine. All are derived with the help of this methionine, but this methionine in the active form, that is S-adenosyl methionine. So these reactions are called a methyl transfer reaction, M for methionine and M for the methyl transfer reaction, and these are carried out with the help of this S-adenosyl methionine. So methyl group are originally derived from the one carbon pool, but this one carbon pool is generally not donating methyl group. Methyl group is donated with the help of this S-adenosyl methionine. Now apart from this molecule, this DNA methylation at cytosine nitrogenous base, and same way lysine amino acid, this lysine amino acid which is present over the histone, and over that methylation process that is possible with the help of this S-adenosyl methionine. So this S-adenosyl methionine have also role in the methylation process, which is also regulating the gene expression. So that methylation process is also very helpful for the genetic expression. So methylation is possible with the help of S-adenosyl methionine. Now lastly, one more product, that is polyamine. So this polyamine that is also considered one of the growth factor. So spermidine and spermine formation, and for that this methionine, particularly in the form of S-adenosyl methionine, is very useful. So methionine have very important role, but directly not having any role, but it is indirectly in the form of S-adenosyl methionine. So S-adenosyl methionine that is involved in this all these product like creatine, epinephrine, choline, melatonin and carnitine formation. Simply you can remember CME, that is choline, creatine, carnitine. M means melatonin and E for the epinephrine. Same way DNA methylation and polyamine formation. All these are the important product related to the S-adenosyl methionine.